Hey ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? I don't know today's date. 5/15 maybe? Friday. So took the radiator out. There's my new aftermarket radiator. It's aluminum and I don't like how short those are. How you supposed to get your hose on that? Ain't liking that so far. I know, don't spend the money, you get what you pay for. So money's tight though after spending 30 grand putting this dude together over the winter. So anyway, got the radiator out and more evidence it was a Michigan trip. See how rusty that was, right? This right here is concerning, my air to air. What do you think? I know what y'all think. I never hear the end of it, what y'all think. Anyhow, make sure you don't start it up with one of those on there. You'll suck it right up and then you'll be fishing it out. Ask me how I know. But she's sealed up for the night. I'll deal with it tomorrow. Glad I got a forklift. Those moving blankets are gonna be soaking wet by morning, but that's all right. I have a board on either side to hold it up so I can slide back under when I'm ready. This was twisted probably about an inch over this way, and you saw the damage on the air to air. And we got the radiator over here. Moving my tools around with the four-wheel there. Yes, I did get a battery, so that thing is toast. You can see right through that. It's completely missing all the way through. I'll get this apart. Tank's got a lot of surface rust. Sounds pretty solid though. Get that apart, and I'm going to see AJ over the weekend, so probably won't get much done over the weekend. Plus I'm gonna have to do some investigating on air to air. Maybe I can pick one up from the Thalmans. Anywho, y'all hear that? We get a lot of rain. A lot of rain. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call it a day. That crap looks nasty, doesn't it? Nasty, nasty. We'll be putting fresh in there. I probably should flush it out too with a hose. I got all new hoses for it, so I got this big old stick over there. You see that? Big stick. And I got another one. I got plenty of hose around here. Definitely not hose for. Ritzy's gonna go sing for a funeral. Mr. Willie Wilson, he passed away 94. And anyway, so he's gonna go down the song. She's been uptight about that. She wants to get it done. Plus she wants to go see her son. Ritzy's just one of those ones that gets uptight real easy, so. Anyway, hopefully she'll be getting unuptight. Just thought I'd give you guys an update where I was. Yes, I'm doing a radiator, and like most times when you do a job, you find other things wrong, and the air doesn't look healthy to me, and I gotta flush it. And anywho, so.
Oh, hello.
There's Ritzy busting in, no knocking, no nothing. She's all show us your get 'em up. She's got her funeral get 'em up.
Hello, everybody.
Take off your jacket so you can show your funeral get 'em up. So there you go. She's the lovely concert. What do you call that? The lovely. What do you call those women? Concerto.
Concerto?
I guess.
I have no idea.
Richie's the lovely concerto. What song are you doing tonight?
I'm going to be singing Be Still My Soul.
Be still my soul.
Be still my
Well,
soul.
there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Be still your soul. And you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Have lots of fun. Don't have broken stuff like me. God bless. Don't forget to ring that bell. Ding, 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 ding. God bless. And later.